welcome to another Keep It Real YouTube episode. And today we're going over our spicy bow and a killer R32 GTR, our interpretation of the ultimate street mobile. Jassy built it and he's very proud about it. So we're gonna go and get our first reactions of driving this thing. Our shoot night was in the wet, so also my first time driving it in the dry. It's gonna be spicy. Come for the ride.
Feels pretty spicy.
Very spicy. It's responsive. Much more responsive than the last big power GTR we had.
It's just a good daily driver.
It's a good daily driver. Spicy T51R noises. Spicy triple plate clutch noises. She picks up real quick.
Literally, it just feels like I'm in your 33
Yeah. That's what you want, for it to feel like it's got VCT when it's got no VCT. RB26 thanks.
Yeah, you can just cruise in this to work and back in.
That's it, yeah, it's not stupidly loud, you know. It's got a handbrake. Not even fully opening her up yet. Oh, mate. Yeah, that's crisp.
It's definitely spicy.
Yeah, it's nice being able to open it up. It was just a bit wild on the shoot night when it was all wet like. And I was pissing down at one point. I couldn't see anything.
Going like 30 k's an hour on the freeway.
Yeah, literally. That's what you want too, the response for a street car, because otherwise, if it's laggy and all that, so I literally can't even drive it. I can't open it up unless you're going like on the freeway ramp or something. Otherwise, you'll just going too fast. You know, that's illegal. We've been under the speed limit the whole time.
Nothing but the speed.
Nothing but the speed limit. We're responsive.
5 k's under.
At all times.
Really like the turbo sound.
T51R Mod. Spools.
Yeah, constant.
And even just when cruising, it has a nice little whistle. Or two in your face. That's aggressive. That is aggressive.
I am definitely quite a big fan of how this car sounds. There's a lot of things about this car that I like, but the sound is definitely one of them. I love the spool, and the exhaust is loud, but it's not so loud that it's hurting my ears. So that's a positive. It sounds a lot like the drift cars, but without the eardrum explosion. nervous about the camera. Them shock works. Oof. I'm pretty sure they're on full stiff too, because obviously we like to stance our cars out a little bit for the shoot nights and all that, so you can raise it up and soften up a bit if you want the full GTR treatment. Ah.
I never saw this coming, but it's happening. I hit it once and tried to quit, but now I'm back again. It's like I'm in jail in a cell, from inhaling her smell. I can tell if this hell. But I'm back into action, a slave to her satisfaction. She give it to me in rations, I take it all when it happens. Wanna break up like fractions, but way too deep in this passion. And her walls like D4L and ATL, back to snapping. Ayy, perhaps relaxing would get me out of this jam. I just liked all 4,000 pics she posted on Instagram. Listen fam, this ain't normal. She burning candles, they purple, drawing stars in the circles and speaking to me non-verbal.
Oh, here we are, the top of the mountain. Look at that beautiful scenery. Secretly, I took Adam up here for a little quick date. Quickly go through why this thing is so spicy, if you haven't seen any other videos. So, Jesse pulled this full motor out, stripped it down, got the head decked. We've got valve springs, Tomei pond cams, ARP studs, metal head gasket. He's checked and cleaned everything, fresh gaskets, everything, Speed Tech manifold, and the HyperGear ATR43 SS3 Pro, which is like a new turbo he's made and developed just for the RB26. Safe to say, it's proven quite nicely with that 500 kilowatt and such good response, which is what these things need when they got no VCT. So that's just basically a quick on and down. Of course, we've got the Fenix radiator and intercooler, a GTR kit that bolts on, which is 100mm. Cooler, keeps it nice and cool, that air coming back in, and then all run by a Link ECU, which is quite easy to install, and you can throw it into the original ECU computer box, what do you call it there? Yeah, you can bang it in there and throw it in, and you can't get in trouble on the street. No aftermarket ECU, no, standard, and fully tunable, everything, built-in map sensor. And it just works like a dream. Like, we've still got the aircon, everything, this thing, heater, all that. So, in our eyes, the perfect street car. Have a little bit of a squirt here and there. Kang response, Kang sounds, not too loud. A little bit of cheeky X gate if you want to open her up. And then, yeah, everything works and it just drives nice. Triple plate clutch, so a little bit hard to get used to. Adam will know about it. But once you get used to it, it's really nice, and it can hold all the powers, no worries, it'll just last. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this spicy ultimate street car. I say that every time we have a street car. It's the ultimate, but this is closer to the ultimate, so I feel like I can say that. Hope you enjoyed our little cruise up the hill and run down, and my first reaction in the dry of this beast. If you haven't already, make sure you jump on kippery.com and get your entries in, or jump on your membership and start accumulating your entries. And while you're there, grab some spicy merch. Use the code SPICY. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. See you next time.
Where are we going for our date?
This is our date.
This is our date.
A little walk down here. Ooh. Oof.
Say you're looking for a meal, you want to stop. We going non-stop, yeah, we won't stop. Say you're looking for a meal, you want to stop. Check, king, I'm working, that dollar twerking, this money certain. Long as I'm observing, I stay in focus and moving.